Hey guys, Ben Maddox here at Johnson RV. Today we are inside our showroom, our beautiful showroom, where we feature some of our most prized possessions, things like our leisure travel products. Today this is one of our premium pre-owned pieces. We have specialized in premium used motorhomes for the last 25 years, believe it or not. This is our 25th year. And leisure travel has been one of our premier products. And every once in a while we get a really nice late model piece in, like this 2021 Unity twin bed. Again, my name is Ben. Behind the camera I got Sammy Smith. If you need help from any of us, we have tons of professional outfitters that know a lot about products like leisure travel. These are built up in Winkler, Manitoba in a small batch type production. They only build about 1,000 each year of all of their models combined. It is built on the 1-ton Mercedes Sprinter chassis. In this model year, this is going to have your 3-liter single turbo V6 engine. Sammy, follow me. I'm just going to point out a few things on the outside. Just to highlight, you've got beautiful full body paint, 5 coats of paint, 3 coats of color, 2 coats of clear coat. You got Alcoa wheels. You have all these nice fiberglass curved doors, tons of storage. On your twin bed, you're going to have this nice pass-through storage compartment, which gives you the ability to put things like golf clubs, fishing poles, skis, some of your longer stuff. And on your driver's side, there's going to be all your utilities conveniently located. Come on inside, Samantha. Right, so in the twin bed, what people like about it is there's no slide. So less mechanical stuff to go wrong. You can utilize the entire RV while driving down the road. So if somebody wants to grab a snack, take a nap, whatever. You got this nice dining area where your front seats swivel around so you can actually seat 4 people here. This does convert into a sleeping area as well. So if you need an extra little sleeping pod. And then you've got your new Mercedes chassis, which has everything from your driver assistance features, your touch screen, wireless charging, things like that. Coolest fridge that opens, fridge and freezer that opens from both sides. Sweet. Convection microwave oven, lots of storage, pantry storage there. And then you got your split bathroom, so 2 people can be using the facilities at the same time. Got your nice bathroom there with the macerating toilet. And then come on in, Sammy. Check out the bathroom, which when you open up that door, you can close it off. It gives you some privacy. You got a nice big, almost full-length mirror, and then your privacy door for the shower. And then your twin bed setup, so nice and easy to get in and out if you want to snuggle. This centerpiece here flips out, and then you can fill it in with the extra cushion, so it makes it into a nice big king bed. Awning style windows that open on both sides, tons of storage all throughout. So many things to love. We can't wait for you guys to come and check it out here in beautiful Sandy, Oregon. Thanks for watching our video. My name is Ben Maddox. We got Samantha Smith behind the camera, and we look forward to seeing you soon.